aha rubaje rw'abakristo President Museveni yashendekereza ubwo mukazi we mama Janet Museveni omukushabo ko kwijika ekiro ky'abajurizi abaferire dini aha Namugongo. President Museveni yasima abicirizo mu ihanga hamwe n'abebembezi b'amadini ahabwo kuratira inkora ya NRM eyo kurwana so kwebaganisa mu madini hamwe n'enganda ebyabirebire misentunguka.
But when we came, we opposed this very firmly. That's why up to now we have never allowed chaplains in the army. Because we said, you who say you are religious, you are more unreligious than the unreligious. You are dividing our people, saying Catholics, Protestants, Muslims, please, hatutaki hiyo mambo. We want umoja.
President Museveni yaraganisa no kwarukuza kugamba hamiringo eyarakozese kumaraho obushomankuzi aharwakana rwesandeje bwarabe nagambira ihanga ningashe State of Nation address.
Some of the speakers have talked about corruption. I totally agree with them. Corruption is becoming a problem, and when I address the nation on the 6th, I will say more about the corruption.
Museveni yaraganisa no kwarukuza kumaririza kombe k'ikicirizo cy'abajurizi aha Namugongo.
We are going to finish it as kamugweki akwate mpola akoraki bugubugusiki ensonga ziweddawo.
Arubaje rw'abakristayo Archbishop w'ekanisa ya Nigeria the Most Reverend Henry Ndukuba niwe yayibembera okushaba kandi yasima President Museveni habwo kwikiriza abanya-Uganda okuramya edini zabo.
And those who are leading with him.
Twagalera okwebaza Katonda olwa President wa Uganda General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni n'abo bonna bakulembera nabo.
We want to especially appreciate him for his support and creating an enabling environment for the Christian faith and other faiths to thrive in this country.
Okuspeaka w'ishengyero ry'ihanga Anita Monge niwe yajwekera President Museveni nk'omugenyi mukuru kandi yasima President Museveni ahabwa okushashura ibanja rya Church House.
We advocate for unity and resist fragmentation of our people.
Fenno tukiririza mu kwegatta mu bumu okusinga okutemaatema mu bantu.
Therefore, it was wrong for Kabaka Mwanga to persecute and kill the Christian converts.
Omukoro gwo kwijika ekiro ky'abajurizi abaferire edini gwahikwaho abantu bingi b'ebitinisa hamwe n'abicirizo ku rugo mu Uganda hamwe n'amahanga gandi. Ahabwa TV West ndi Elias Rutugusa.